Okay, another way of representing data then is using a pie chart. Now, a pie chart can show things as a fractional or percentage form, and it can also show things as an angle. Okay, so you'll see some different information on different pie charts. If we have a look at this example here, we've got a pie chart drawn out, and it's talking about the favourite pie filling. And it was based on information given by asking a group of 1,500 people to name their favourite pie filling, and this was the results. Okay, and our question that we're asked is, how many chose steak? Now, if we have a look at these here, we have our different angles marked in. So we've got 135, we've got 40, we've got 30. This one's marked in with a wee square, which is a right angle, which is 90 degrees. And this one's been left blank. A complete circle is 360 degrees. We can work out what the angle is for steak. We'll add the rest together, so 135 plus 90 plus 45 plus 30, what's that, 165, 210, 300. It would be 300 degrees. Let me check that. Calculator always goes right to the corner. 135 plus 90 plus 45 plus 30. Yep, 300 degrees. I can still add, that's good. In a complete circle, there are 360 degrees. So take away the 300 from that. And we're left with 360. Now that's a neat trick, isn't it? Try again. And we're left with 60 degrees. So our steak here must have an angle of 60 degrees. Now, we weren't asked for the angle, we were asked for how many people chose steak. Altogether, 1,500 people were asked. Now, the angle at the centre is just whatever fraction out of 360 is. So this 60 degrees that we've got is 60 out of 360. We times that by the number of people, or work out the fraction of that number of people, and that tells us how many people chose steak. So 1,500 divided by 360 times 60 is 250. So 250 people chose steak. Okay, let's try the next one. I'll get my page done. Okay, the next one then is looking at how to cook fish. So at this time, 540 people were asked their preferred cooking method of a piece of haddock, and the results were shown in this pie chart. First question then, what angle at the centre is taken up by grilling the fish? Same idea again, a complete circle is 360 degrees. We've got that one is 40. That means our right angle again. Add them together. 130 degrees. Take it away from 360. 200. It's 230 degrees. The angle at the centre here for grilled would be 230 degrees. Okay, part B. We're looking at how many people preferred haddock done in the oven. So B part 1, done in the oven is 90 degrees. So it's 90 out of 360. If you can spot that straight away, that's a quarter, either by being a quarter of a circle or 90 over 360 goes down to a quarter. You can change that down to a quarter if you wish. So we're doing 90 over 360 times 540. As ever, divide by the bottom times by the top. It's 135, or if you spotted it's a quarter, you can just divide by 4. Second part then is how many people preferred it fried. Fried, 40 degrees out of 360, it's 40 out of 360 times the 540. Again, divide by the bottom times by the top. You can, if you prefer, simplify down your fraction first. So that would be 1/9, and then you could do it even without a calculator. So that would be 60 people. And the last one, how many people preferred their haddock grilled? Grilled is the one we worked out already at 230 degrees. We have worked out the other two, so you could, if you prefer, just take 135 and 60 away from your 540. I'm just going to do it the same way as I've done the rest. 230 divided by 360 times 540 is 345 people. Okay, one last example for you then. This pie chart shows the egg production from a small producer for 1 week. There were a total of 210 medium eggs produced that week. Calculate the number of large eggs for the same week. Okay, so this information has been given in a pie chart, but we haven't been told how many eggs there were altogether. We don't know that, so we can't really use just the angle over 360 part that we did before. Instead, we need to use a kind of proportion. So we know that medium eggs, which is 70 degrees, is equal to 210. So 70 degrees is equal to 210. I want to find what 216 is equal to. Various different ways you could do this, depending on what the numbers are, depending if you can spot patterns in the numbers. Okay, so I want to know what 216 is. I can't see an obvious link between 70 and 216. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what 1 degree represents. I'm going to find out what 1 degree represents by dividing by 70. Because 70 divided by 70 gives me 1, so I need to do the same here. 210 divided by 70, I'm just going to do that 216, I'm not giving myself enough room, would be 3. So each 1 degree in my pie chart is worth 3 eggs. My large eggs have got 216 degrees. So I'm going to times it by 3. 648. So slightly different way of using the pie chart on this one. Okay. As ever, any questions, please get in touch. Don't sit stuck thinking I'll wait to see you when you come on. Just send me an email and I'll get in touch with you. Okay, thank you.